sadly more deaths on UK construction sites. So I thought I'd look into the law. Who's legally responsible for these workers? Now, having done a bit of research, and this obviously isn't checked by lawyers, so please don't take this as fact, but I've done extensive research, so I believe it's true. Under the latest CDM regulations, which are 2015, the principal contractor has a significant legal responsibility for the health and safety and well-being of all workers on a site, including, this is the key bit, their own employees and all subcontractors. Which is interesting because that actually says it's not just the lads and lasses on the books. This is everybody, agency staff, subbies, freelance, whatever you want to call them. This level of responsibility means the principal contractor is effectively the primary legal guardian of health and safety for everyone on a multi-contractor site. Now, if an accident occurs, it can then be broken down principal contractor, employer, bracket subcontractor, other parties, principal designer, client, etc. But these findings say the principal contractor's got legal responsibility. So if you look into this further, there's the duty of care, which we all are aware of, the legal framework on staff, foreseeability and causation. And then an interesting point here to understand, which isn't a CDM specific issue, when the death occurs on a CDM regulated site, specific legal issues around suicide fall under broader health and safety law and tort law, brackets negligence. There's never ever, as far as I can research, been a claim against a principal contractor or client, etc. in construction. But one of the most significant landmark cases in the UK establishing employer liability for a worker's suicide is Core versus IBC Vehicles Limited in 2008, UK HL 13. While this case did not involve the construction industry, its principles have profound implications for all employers, including those in construction. So my findings are the principal contractor has a legal responsibility over all staff, even if they're in the supply chain. So the question is quite prominent. Why have we never had a claim against anybody? We're having excess deaths, including accidents and suicides, with plenty of evidence. Why has nobody ever brought a claim against anybody? What do you think on this? Do principal contractors, from my research, actually have the whole legal responsibility for all their staff, including subcontractors? Please let us know your thoughts.